Farmer unions and trade unions across India, including the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, All India Kisan Sabha and the Bharatiya Kisan Union, have called for nationwide protests and a general strike on February 12th, targeting the proposed India-US trade agreement framework, which they say threatens farmers' livelihoods. In fact, this comes just days after, on February 3rd, that India and United States had announced a framework for a new bilateral trade deal aimed at boosting two-way trade by cutting tariffs on a range of goods, including industrial products and selected agricultural items. Now, the government calls it an economic opportunity. Farmers and the opposition call it a complete sellout, saying that the one sector that was protected so far, the agricultural sector, that the Modi government has opened doors up for this sector to the United States free of cost, without any penalty, without any tariff imposed on them. So what is really in this deal and why is it really sparking anger? Now, according to the Commerce Ministry, India has agreed to reduce or eliminate tariffs on certain American agricultural and food products, including distillers' dried grains with solubes, soybean oil, red sorghum for animal feed, tree nuts, fresh and processed fruits, wine and spirits, and crucially, additional products, quote unquote, which have really not been spelt out as yet. There's no specified detail of what these additional products would be. But imagine one could certainly panic when we are talking about fresh and processed fruits, tree nuts, wine and spirits. These are products that coming in from the United States without any tariff on them could hurt the domestic market in India. Farmers here raising an alarm. Well, at the same time, you have the government of India insisting that the sensitive sectors such as dairy, poultry, cotton and fuel ethanol are all fully protected. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has said that there is hardly any item where a farmer can feel threatened by it. Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has gone a step further, claiming Indian farm products will get zero tariff access to the United States, while American agricultural products will continue to face tariffs in India, ensuring full protection of the domestic market. Now, on the face of it, many of these products don't appear to pose a major threat given India's limited domestic acreage or production in some of these categories. In fact, farmer unions, on the other hand, argue it's not very simple as the government claims. They say first the term additional products remain undefined, and now raising fears that this additional products could actually have more agricultural items that could actually be added, which the government is not revealing. And the Farmers Union, the opposition now demanding that the government have a public debate or a parliamentary oversight.